guys might be wondering, it's quarantine, oh, you're giving us so much content, so many hauls, where are we gonna wear this to? I'm gonna tell you one thing. Don't let quarantine stop you from being a bad bee that you are. If you want to order clothes, order clothes. If you want to buy makeup, buy makeup. Don't let quarantine stop you.
Have it all. I know you better roll. And you know that I'll always be good whenever you go. Say the word and I'll be on it, on it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm back with an Africanmall haul and I'm quite excited about this. It's long awaited. They reached out to me in partnership. Yeah. This came quite a while back, but I'm only doing it now because, as you guys know, I've been busy. I've got a uni on my neck and all the items are like in a Ziploc bag, like so. But yeah, I haven't tried on anything, so this is going to be my first time trying everything on camera. So the first item is this two-piece that you guys have probably seen everywhere, because I know that I've seen a lot of people wear this. I picked it because it just looks so cute. So it's just a two-piece set and it's a ribbed top and a skirt. I feel like when I do eventually wear it out, when this whole pandemic is over, I'll probably wear it separately because I don't know, although it will probably look cute together, I can actually see this going with like a cute white bodysuit, and I can see this going with like blue jeans, blue straight leg jeans. It's also reflective, like these grey lines coming down are reflective, and on the skirt as well. As you can see, it's got a drawstring. I'm so excited to put this on. I feel like this is gonna look so nice. This is what the two-piece looks like together. And I'm not gonna lie, this is cute. No one can tell me this isn't cute. The fit is so nice. The only thing I will say is it's a bit see-through. I don't know if you can tell. The skirt is also very short. That's just down to you, down to preferences. I'm not really a fan of, you know, it being this short, but I still think this is actually very nice. I've also paired this up with my Comme des Garçons Converses because if I was to wear this outfit, this is what I would wear it with. I'm digging this. I am digging this. I'm gonna try this on separately to just see how that works out. So this is the top with the straight leg jeans. And I think this is more of me. This is more something I'd probably wear out. But it's so comfortable, I love it.
Tonight's the night, dim down the lights, I'm holding you tight. You feel too comfortable. Tonight's the night, I'm wanting you. Tonight's the night, dim down the lights, I'm holding you tight. We feel.
So this next item is just a simple ribbed crop top with writing on it that says, "Thank you, enjoy." This is what you see on, you know, the American Chinese takeaway boxes. And also, I feel like there's a correlation between me wearing this and my love for Chinese food. So yeah, it just looks really nice. Although it's quite basic, this is such a nice summer piece. This is the top, and I've just paired it up with some blue, light blue denim shorts from Pretty Little Thing and my Comme des Garçons Converses. And I am feeling this. This is just giving me 28 degrees vibe. This is definitely something you'd wear if it was very, very hot outside and you just want to skin out. Like, this is cute, and I actually look like a Chinese takeaway box, but I'm loving it. Guys, I feel like if you had a denim jacket this shade and you wear it on top, that'd be a fit. That would be so cute. I think I look cute. Do you think I look cute? Because I think I look cute. I look fine, and that's on period.
Tonight's the night, I'm wanting you. Baby, shine like VVS. This is the high life, be prepared for me to.
So this next item is just this nude long sleeve bodysuit. It's got black stitching all around it. I think it's really nice. Like, it's not just some basic nude piece. This just adds a nice cute element to it. The sleeves have like the thumb hole thing. I really like that about this as well. And I can just envision this going well with black straight leg jeans. You guys know I love my black straight leg jeans. It's also very stretchy and I'm quite short, so the material seems really good. I don't think this will be see-through. So yeah, I'm excited to try this on. So this is the outfit, and I'm not gonna lie, this might be my best one, you know. The thumb hole, Like, this is just so nice. The black stitching on it, the detail. What else can I say? Yeah, it's a look. It is a look, and no one can tell me otherwise.
I need you here. You're like dancing diamonds. My responsibility. See, you're my comfortability. I'm what you want. You're what I want. Shine like the sun, baby.
Ooh, it's soft. So this is, as you can see, a tracksuit. As you can see, the zip detail is gold. I feel like the gold is making it look a bit tacky. One thing I will say is the picture I selected, the zip wasn't gold, so I don't know what's going on here. It might seem like a minor detail, but it's really not, because the gold is just so shine. I don't understand. But yeah, we'll have to just wait and see. Am I a little kid? I don't understand. Why is it so short? I don't think it's that bad. Would I wear it out? I don't know. Maybe. I think with trainers on, yeah, I'm starting to like this now. I look kind of cool.
They don't see what I see. You're the diamond in me. I've been running around in these streets, and you help me take them all.
So this is another two-piece, and as you can see, it's a grey two-piece and it's ribbed. I think this is such a nice basic piece. This is a top half, and I won't lie, for a big-chested girl like me, I don't know how this is gonna fit. I just hope it does. But yeah, I like the material, very stretchy. There's not much to say about this piece. It's just a basic piece. I feel like you could just use it to run errands. Guys, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Look at me. These bottoms are snatching me. I do feel like this top would have been better in a size medium, because it is quite small. But overall, it's so nice. You'd think I'm a size 6. Stretch. Guys, I've just paired this up with my white Oswegos. You guys know how much I love these trainers. They go with literally everything, and I feel like they go so well with this outfit.
Girl, I'm calling for you. Please don't leave me lonely. Girl, I'm coming over when I need you home. Girl, I'm calling for you. Please don't leave me lonely.
So the last item is this jumper. I wouldn't even call this a coat. Is it a jacket? It's too thin to be a jacket, but it's too thick to be a jumper. So a hoodie. I don't know what to call this. I'm just gonna call it a jacket for now. It's just this jacket, and it's cropped and very furry. Like, I didn't even expect it to be this furry. I really like this. It's so soft, guys. Oh my gosh. Because at first I was thinking, summer's basically here, maybe I shouldn't have picked this, but yeah, I definitely made the right choice. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. So yeah, that's not good. It sheds a lot. It sheds a lot. So if you don't want fur all over your house, all over your floor, all over your clothes, then you're probably going to want to stay away from it. This is quite irritating, but the jacket's cute, so I guess that makes up for it. So this is the jumper, and it's not bad. It's actually cute. Like, it's basic, very furry. You can have it unzipped like this. I would have preferred for the arms to be a bit longer there. Yeah, this is nice. This is a nice jacket. Oh, this is super cute. I would definitely wear this. I actually see myself wearing this out. The only thing is, obviously, the way the fur is just shedding like crazy, but it's cute.
Baby, shine like BVS. This is the high life, be prepared. For me to shine, I need you here. You're like dancing diamonds. My responsibility. See, you're my comfortability. I'm what you want. You're what I want. Shine like the sun, baby.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked some of the outfits, if not all the outfits. All the links and everything will be in the description bar below. Make sure you check out Africanmall's social media. Make sure you check out their website, because I can guarantee you're going to see some really cute stuff on there. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, let me know what your favorite outfit was, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You have it all. I know you better